Hi everybody, this is Manveen, and in today's video we're going to talk about basic SQL commands like DML, DDL and DQL commands. And from the next video onwards, we're going to solve questions from lead code related to all these commands. And in the upcoming videos, you'll be learning everything in depth. So firstly, let's see how to use DML and DDL commands. DDL commands basically means data definition language. So this helps you define your table. And these DDL commands include create, drop, alter, and truncate. DQL commands are data query language commands, and this consists of the select keyword. DML command is a data manipulation language. These DML commands lets you make changes to your table. It lets you manipulate the data inside the table like insert, update, and delete. So firstly, let's look at how to create a table. So to create a table, we use the keyword create table and then table name. Let the table name be M1. So after writing the statement, we are supposed to write all the variable names and their data types inside parentheses. Along with the variable names and the data types, I have also mentioned the constraints. We will learn about this in the upcoming videos. So ID is your first variable name. It is of the integer data type and it is the primary key. Then we have the name and its data type is varchar and its length would be 25. Varchar is variable character. That means its character length can be dynamic, it can be changed. And age has the data type integer and it is never null. Let's end this with a semicolon. And now I'm going to execute these statements. So yeah, it has successfully executed. Now we've created a table that consists of certain rows and columns. In order to insert something into this, we are going to use the keyword insert. So this is how you write it. So I've written the first row as 1A and 22. So insert into table name values. We've given three variable names in the first table. So ID would be 1, name would be A, and the age would be 22. So if you execute this, so a row into your table has been added. Let's add another row. And if you select this and execute it, it has successfully been inserted. Now let's print the entire table that you've created along with two rows. So to do this, you use the keyword select. Select star from M. So as you can see here, two rows have been created, 1 and 2 with names A and B and ages 22 and 21. Let's reiterate. Create is a DDL command, insert is a DML command, and select is a data query language command. Now, if you want to alter your table, you can do it as follows. So say you want to add another column named email. So this is how you do it. Add email, and after this you also write the data type varchar 25. And SQL is not case sensitive, so I need not write everything in uppercase all the time. So if you execute these two, and now you select star from M. Yeah, so another column has been added to your table named email. I have not entered any values as of yet, so it is null. Alter is a DDL command. Let's look at three more statements: drop, truncate, and delete. Drop and truncate are DDL commands, and delete is a DML command. What happens when you use drop is that your entire table from the database gets deleted, whereas truncate removes all the rows from the table, and in delete, which is a DML command, you can select the number of rows or records to be deleted from the table. So the basic difference between drop and delete is that drop deletes the entire table from the database, whereas delete only removes certain records from the table. So this is how you use it. First, I'm going to use delete. Delete from table name M. And now you're going to write a condition called where. Say name is A. So the predicted output would be that it'll delete the entire row if the name is A. Now select from M. Now let's see how to write truncate. Truncate will delete all the rows from the table. table M. Yeah, so after you've used truncate, it has deleted all the rows from the table. Now let's use the command drop. So as you can see, the compiler shows an error because after you've dropped the table, the entire table has been removed from the database entirely. So after you print the table, it's not able to find it. So it is showing an error at the end. Also, if you've seen, I've been constantly using select star from M. Star basically means that you're going to print all the columns in the table. It selects all the columns. Now I've created the table again because I had dropped it earlier. And if I only want to print the name column, so I'm going to write select name from table name M. So if you select this and execute it, so as you can see, the column name has been created again. This is the difference between using select star from M and select name from M, or a certain column name from the table. So these are some of the basic SQL commands that you can use. From the next video onwards, we're going to be looking at different problems on LeetCode. Thanks for watching.